Hello and welcome back to your IELTS review video. In today's episode we're talking about being in a hurry. So let's get started. When this topic comes up, a question you could be asked is, when was the last time you did something in a hurry? You could say, I had to rush to catch a bus just yesterday because I overslept and was running late for work or running late for school. Or recently, I found myself in a hurry to complete a report for an important presentation scheduled for the next day. Another question you could be asked is, what helps you to finish things quickly? Planning my tasks and creating a to-do list helps me accomplish things efficiently. Or utilizing time management techniques like the Pomodoro method, which involves focused work intervals, aids me in completing tasks swiftly. The third question I'm going to give you today is, what kind of things do you never do in a hurry? I never make important decisions in a hurry, especially when they have long-term consequences. Or I avoid hastily writing emails to clients and colleagues, as clear communication is crucial in professional settings. Another question you could be asked is, why do people make mistakes more easily when they're in a hurry? When in a hurry, people might overlook details or skip necessary steps leading to errors. The pressure to finish quickly can cause individuals to neglect proper analysis, leading to oversight and mistakes. Those are all the questions we have today. Next up is our reading passage. As always, please read along with me. It's here to give you insight into a topic that you may not know enough about, and by learning a little bit, it may help when the question arises. So, the culture of rushing. I'm going to look slightly to the side because I have to read this one. Rushing has become a hallmark of contemporary society. The culture of rushing can stem from a desire for efficiency, as people often find themselves racing against the clock. But it also brings along certain drawbacks. When individuals are in a hurry, their cognitive functions can be compromised. Rushing can lead to impulsive decision-making, and the brain's ability to process information can be hindered under time pressure. Hastily written reports may lack accuracy and coherency. The rush to complete projects can hinder innovative expression, and rushing through tasks may result in subpar outcomes. In personal relationships, rushing can play a role. Conversations that lack attentive listening might lead to misunderstandings, as people might miss out on meaningful interactions. Mindfulness and conscious awareness aid in avoiding hasty decision-making. Time management techniques can help mitigate the pressure to rush. Setting priorities and breaking tasks into manageable steps are effective strategies. Finding a balance between efficiency and well-being is key. Rushing offers short-term gains in completing tasks, but takes a toll on mental and emotional health. Allocating time, relaxation, and reflection is essential. The ubiquity of rushing in modern life has significant effects on cognitive function, decision-making, and relationships. Striking a balance between efficiency and well-being is essential, maintaining mental clarity and a sense of fulfillment in a hurried world. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of words and vocabulary that I want you to take away and incorporate into your everyday language. Fast-paced world. Hallmark. Pressure of modern life. Racing against the clock. Time pressure. Efficiency and productivity. Drawbacks. Cognitive functions. Impulsive decision-making. Oversight. Trade-offs. Subpar outcomes. Accuracy and coherence. Depth of thought. Innovative expression. Attentive listening. Misunderstandings. Time management techniques. Setting priorities. Manageable steps. Mindfulness. Mitigate. Balancing efficiency and well-being. mental clarity, sense of fulfillment, ubiquity, constant rushing, toll on mental and emotional health, allocation of time, rest, relaxation, and reflection, striking a balance, hurried world. Okay, now on to our final part, the paraphrasing activity. We have questions, statements, and descriptions. How about yourself? What was the last occasion you did something quickly? Or what activities do you never rush through? What causes people to be more prone to errors when in a rush? What assists you in completing tasks swiftly? Now, have a go at putting those into your own words. Paraphrasing descriptions. Statements. The fast tempo of modern life often results in individuals hurried accomplishing tasks. The presence of time constraints in time improves productivity and efficiency. Hastiness can lead to mistakes and misinterpretations due to a lack of concentration. Multitasking can be counterproductive, often when precision and coherence are required. And striking a balance between efficiency and well-being is of utmost importance in today's society. And the last one, paraphrasing descriptions. As always, you're on your own for that one. And thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one.